Hi, today in this class we are going to discuss structure of human heart. Heart is mesodermal in origin. Heart is located in between the lungs in a cavity called mediastinum. The size of the heart is the size of the clenched fist. The heart size is clenched fist size. Clenched fist size. The heart in males is somewhat bigger when compared to females. The size of heart in males is 280 to 340 grams. In female, it is 230 to 280 grams. If we observe the external structure of heart, the two atria are separated externally by interarterial groove. Interatrial groove. The two ventricles are separated by interventricular groove. The two auricles and ventricles are separated externally by coronary sulcus. If we observe the internal structure of heart, the internal structure of heart is divided into the two upper chambers are called auricles. They are somewhat smaller when compared with ventricles. The lower chambers are called ventricles. The auricles are separated by interauricular septum. The two auricles are separated by interauricular septum. The right ventricle and left ventricle are separated by a septum, interventricular septum. This is interventricular septum. The auricles and ventricles are separated by interarterioventricular septum. Interarterioventricular septum. At the right auricle, we are having superior vena cava or precaval vein. At the right auricle, we are having superior vena cava or precaval vein. The superior vena cava or precaval vein at the right atria collects the blood from upper parts of the body to right auricle. At the right auricle we are having inferior vena cava. The inferior vena cava collects the blood from the lower part of the body, from toes to ear. We are having the coronary sinus. The three vena cava are present. The upper, at the right atrium, the upper side, it is called superior vena cava or precaval vein. It collects the blood from upper parts of the body to right auricle. Inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava collects the blood from lower parts of the body, from toes. And in right auricle, at the left side, we are having coronary sinus. The coronary sinus is having the wall of Thebaceous, means it prevents the backward flow of blood when the artery are contracted. The inferior vena cava is also having the wall of Eustachian. The wall of Eustachian and wall of Thebaceous prevent the backward flow of blood when the arteria are contracted. It prevents the backward flow of blood. You might have get down, sir, why sir the superior vena cava or precaval vein is not having any wall? Means it is at the upper side of the right atrium. So due to the gravity, the blood does not flows backwardly. The right auricle and right ventricle are having the wall. That is, the blood flows from right auricle to right ventricle through tricuspid valve is present. At the right atrium and right ventricle, we are having tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve means three cusps are present. This is cusp. Tricuspid valve. The blood from left auricle to left ventricle, blood flows through bicuspid valve, means two cups are present. Bicuspid valve, or it is also called mitral valve. Bicuspid valve or mitral valve is present in between left auricle and left ventricle. If we observe at the anterior side of the right auricle, here sinoatrial node is present. The sinoatrial node is called pacemaker of heart. In the right auricle, at the left corner, we are having Purkinje fibers. The Purkinje fibers travel in between the right ventricle and left ventricle. It travels towards downside and it is called right bundle of His. Right bundle of His. Towards the left side. Left bundle of His. Purkinje fibers. Node. Bundle of node. This is the internal structure of heart. Heart is covered at the outer side. The heart is covered by 3 layers. Outer epicardium. Outer side, the heart is covered by epicardium. Middle myocardium, inner endocardium. These are the 3 layers surrounded the heart. In epicardium, outer side, we are having 2 layers. This is the epicardium. This is the inner middle myocardium. The myocardium is made up of cardiac muscle. Inner endocardium. Endocardium. Outer epicardium is having 2 layers. In between the 2 layers, pericardial fluid is present. The pericardial fluid function is to lubricate the heart and prevent the heart from shocks or sudden shocks. Here we are having the layer, outer layer, a pericardial fluid is present. The pericardial fluid prevents the heart from shocks and lubricate the heart. This is the internal structure of heart. Heart is mesodermal in origin, located in mediastinum between the 2 lungs. It is the size of the clenched fist size. If we observe the external structure of the heart, externally 2 arteria are separated by interatrial groove. 2 ventricles are separated by interventricular groove. The upper arteria and ventricles are separated externally by coronary sinus. If you observe the internal structure of the heart, the upper chambers are called auricles, the lower chambers are called ventricles. The right auricle and left auricle are separated by interarterial septum. The lower right ventricle and left ventricle are separated by interventricular septum. The auricles and ventricles are separated by interarterioventricular ventricular septum. The right auricle is having the precaval vein or superior vena cava. It collects the blood from upper parts of the body to right auricle. The right auricle is having inferior vena cava or precaval vein. It carries the blood from toes to the upper parts of the body. In between the right auricle and right ventricle, we are having tricuspid valve. Blood from right auricle to right ventricle, it flows through the tricuspid valve. Blood from right auricle to left ventricle flows through the bicuspid valve. It is also called mitral valve. At the right auricle, we are having sinoatrial node. It is also called pacemaker of heart. At the right auricle, at the left side, we are having atrioventricular node. The atrioventricular node, it passes through the interventricular septum towards the right side. It is called right bundle of His, and towards the left side, it is called left bundle of His. At the right side, we are having pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood. At the left side, we are having systemic artery. Systemic artery carries the oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. This is the internal structure of the heart.